Hi everyone, today I am here with an unboxing and try-on of the Herme Single Tour Jumping Apple Watch Band. So I have the 44mm version here, and that will fit either the 44 or 42mm Apple Watch. Hermes also makes a 40mm version, which will fit either the 38 or the 40mm Apple Watch. As is standard with the Apple Watch Hermes, we saw a moment ago that the orange box had the Apple Watch in Hermes, and then the watch cover itself also has that wording. And if you don't see it right away, don't be alarmed. There's a little pocket here with the actual band. This. So this band is made out of nylon, so it is water resistant, and that's the primary reason for getting this band, so that way I can use it when I'm outside, or it might be a light rain and don't really need to worry about the leather getting water marks on it. This is called a vibration pattern due to the different lines here. If you watch my other videos, you may recall that we did an unboxing of the vibration couch pillow from Hermes, and it's a similar design. So the watch band comes in over 11 different color combinations. This is the Rouge Decor or red heart color with more of a traditional red and a darker red. And you can see that there's also an H here on the smaller piece. And the actual connectors itself are silver stainless steel. I believe all of the jumping tours are this color. So if you do have a space black or a space gray or a colored Apple Watch like I do, just keep in mind that it may not match your Apple Watch case. So let me take off the plastic and try it on. All right, definitely fits very nicely. The edge here is a little bit firm. I suspect it will loosen up with some use, but for that first pull through, it is a little bit firm, but not a big deal. I do wish for people that have smaller wrists like myself, they did have another hole here. This is actually on at the tightest setting, but it still is pretty loose. You don't want to wear the watch too tight, otherwise it can have a negative impact on the heart and blood oxygen sensors. But it still feels pretty secure on my wrist. And the red color does go well with my red Apple Watch. The silver does contrast a little bit, but personally don't think that's a big deal. As I mentioned, it does come in over 11 other color combinations, so there's likely one out there that suits your particular needs. Definitely feels really comfortable. I can definitely see myself wearing this all day. Don't need to worry about water or sweat getting on it, as I mentioned earlier, because it's nylon and water resistant. So definitely looking forward to wearing this much more often than I would my leather Hermes Apple Watch bands. Thanks for watching. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below, and I'll see you next time.